the friendly farm, the friendly farm. Fun and games on the friendly farm. With the animals in the barn. Fun and games on the friendly farm.
Look at my new friend, Harry. He's a spider. He's small.
Yes, he is, Rocky. He's a small spider.
Harry, you're big.
Yes, but I'm a horse. Horses are big. And I've got a long tail.
Look at me! I'm long too.
Yes, you are, Cameron. Now you're a long cat. And you're a nice cat. Look at my brother and sister. They're young.
Oh, yes. They're young. Gracie isn't young. She's old.
What? Old? I'm not old. Gracie!
You aren't young, Gracie.
Oh, sorry, Cameron. Are you okay?
Yes, I am. I'm okay, Gracie. Now, I'm not long. I'm short.